Yeah, I got a 2015 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light here. We're going to be using these buttons here, the up and down and then enter, as well as the menu button. So you're going to click the key, or push the key once, and that'll turn on your dash and everything. Over here you're going to hit the menu button. You're going to hit that until you come up with this screen right here, and then you're gonna click down on this button until you come down to maintenance, and then you're gonna click on enter, and that'll bring up oil filter. You'll click enter on that one, and then you'll click down to reset, and again click enter on reset, and that'll reset your, click up to yes, reset everything, and everything should be reset and you'll be good to go. Hope that helps.